1 plus a, this is equal to a. So what is the value of a? Now, let's provide a solution from here. So we have 1 plus a, this is equal to a. Now, let's take a on the right hand side. So this means that 1, this is equal to a minus a. And this means that 1, this is not equal to a minus a, this is equal to 0. In other words, we have an empty set here. We have an empty set. Now, in other words, if we have a equal to b, we have that a squared, this is equal to b to the power of 2. So this means that 1 plus a, this is equal to a. So the first thing here, let's square on both sides. So that now 1 plus a to the power of 2, this is the same thing as a plus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, then plus 2 2ab. And this implies that from here, this is 1 to the power of 2 plus a to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplied by 1 times a. This is equal to a to the power of 2. So this implies that here 1 squared, this is 1 plus a squared, then plus 2 times 1 times a, this is 2a, and this is equal to a to the power of 2. We have a to the power of 2 here and a to the power of 2 here. So this simplifies so that we have 1 plus 2a, this is equal to, now this is equal to 0. Let's take 1 on the right hand side, and this implies that we have 2a, this is equal to minus 1. So let's divide both sides by 2. And this means that the value of a is equal to minus a half. Now, let's check if this value of a here satisfies the equation. Now let's check if a, which is minus a half, if this satisfies the equation, which is 1 plus a. This is supposed to give us a value of a. Substituting a, which is minus a half, this means we have 1 plus minus a half. This is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now, plus times minus a half, this is the same thing as minus 1 over 2. This is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now, 1 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So we have the LCM here equal to 2. So that 2 divided by 1, this is 2 times 1, this is 2, minus 2 divided by 2, this is 1 times 1, this is 1. This is supposed to give us a value of minus a half. So we have that 2 minus 1, this is 1 over 2, and this is not equal to minus a half. So this implies that a equal to minus a half. This does not satisfy the equation. This does not satisfy the equation. And this implies that there is no real solution from this algebra problem. And therefore, the conclusion here is that there is no solution to this algebra problem. And therefore, we have just an empty set. We have an empty set.